On the 4-hour chart, the price of Litecoin shows signs of an emerging uptrend. Although a minor retracement is possible, the overall trend is positive for LTC. On August 5, the altcoin will also go through the third halving event, dividing its block rewards from 25 to 12.5 LTC. Litecoin splitting and its belongings. Normally, dividing makes a negative inventory shock, where the stockpile declines, however the interest either continues as before or increments. The consequence of this change should be visible in the hidden resources cost. The price of Litecoin is likely to rise significantly in the case of LTC. Things are a little bit different in practice because of the anticipation of the negative supply shock and the subsequent price increase for Litecoin. Investors therefore join the bandwagon prior to the halving event in order to maximize upside potential. This concept materializes quickly, triggering a pre-halving price rally for Litecoin. The Bitcoin price experienced the same effect prior to its halving. Investors should also be aware that Litecoin's hash rate is also rising. From January 2023 to April 2023, the LTC hash rate has expanded from 580 land hash for every SEC, th/s, to 701 th/s. Due to network effects, a rise in the underlying asset's price frequently follows a rise in the hash rate. The price of Litecoin has risen by 6.7% in the last 24 hours, indicating that it is in an uptrend. Despite the formation of a market-wide range, this bullish move suggests interest in LTC. The halving event may be the driving force behind the demand, as previously stated. Notwithstanding, Litecoin cost is at an urgent point, where it could follow to $88.99 prior to taking off. The trend will continue to favor buyers as long as LTC is able to flip the 4-hour bullish breaker, which ranges from $87.60 to $90.88. Additionally, the bulls are in charge because the Awesome Oscillator, AO, and the Relative Strength Index, RSI, have both flipped above the 50 line and the 0 line, respectively. The first target for the price of Litecoin is the midpoint of the most recent crash, which is located at $93.72, which is just below another obstacle, which is located at $95.71. The price of Litecoin will be able to reach the $101.41 resistance level if this blockade is broken. On the other hand, the bullish thesis will be invalidated if the price of Litecoin falls below the bullish breaker of $87.60 to $90.88 for 4 hours. Before resuming the uptrend, the Litecoin price will probably fall below $83.90 to obtain the sell stop liquidity.